Facing backlash over the use of nomenclature of CM and photograph of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in the CM Impact Guidebook, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has asked those who do not take pride in the Chief Minister to cover the picture of Conrad Sangma and read the contents of the guidebooks, asking those people who are opposing the picture of Conrad Sangma and the use of CM nomenclature to change their mindset. The Education Minister advised them to stop looking at the cover and read the contents of the book.
Look, this is the mindset of our people. We should change this. This textbook is not to read, not to talk about the cover. They should stop looking at the cover. We have designed this textbook, this document, to read the inside, the contents. So I would advise them, those who don't want to take pride in your Chief Minister, those opposition leaders, those people who don't want to see your Honorable Chief Minister, get a brown paper and cover it. But please don't cover the contents.